In today's video, made by our team of Trading Techniques Toolbox, we will explore a new trading technique with two indicators: a machine learning indicator powered by AI and a 200 EMA indicator. First, we add the indicators for this strategy. We go to Tradingview and click Add Indicators. Then we type machine learning and add the indicator made by JD Horty to our screen by clicking on it. Next, we type in EMA and add the moving average exponential also to our screen. We go to settings of our newly added EMA and change its length to 200. Having added and set up our indicators, we can now execute the technique. We will start by taking an example of a buy position. To make a good trade, it is important to keep a few steps in mind. Step 1. Only take buy positions when price is above the blue 200 EMA line. When price moves above this blue line, it means the market is in an uptrend and price is more likely to go up. We can take advantage of this fact by buying the market. Step 2. We enter the market whenever a green buy signal appears. As soon as price moves or is above the blue EMA line, and consequently a green buy signal appears, we can enter the market in a buy position and place our stop loss under the blue or green line, or under the last previous low. We then can take an entry with a risk reward of 3. A risk reward of 3 can be easily understood by looking at the following arrows. The arrow from our entry to our take profit level is 3 times as long as the arrow from our entry to our stop loss level. Finally, in our example, we can see 2 possible buy positions, each leading to a nice profitable trade. I would like to note the most suitable time frame for implementing this signal strategy. Having conducted thorough backtesting for several weeks, we have concluded that the optimal time frame for this strategy is the 1-hour time frame. Are you also tired of analyzing the market all day long? Then BitGet Futures copy trading is perfect for you. On this platform, you can copy professional crypto traders that had to prove they were profitable. Once you started copying someone, the progress is 100% automated. Next to the copy trading platform, BitGet is the best crypto spot and futures exchange out there. And to make it even better, if you register using the link in the description, you will receive a registration bonus of $5,000 and a lifetime discount on all trading fees. In the next example, we will study a sell position. The steps are the same as for a buy position, but in reverse. Step 1. We look for price to be, or moving under the blue 200 EMA, a line. Step 2. We look for a sell signal to appear. Whenever these 2 conditions are met, we can enter the market in a sell position. We again can decide to put our stop loss above the last previous high, or the blue line. In our example, we see 3 such opportunities. In the first and third occasion, we opt to put our stop loss above the last previous high. In the second opportunity, we put our stop loss above the blue line. In all 3 occasions, we reach our desired take profit level, set up with a risk-reward ratio of 3.